Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your network and forcing the simplest fixes. You check Wi-Fi signal or plug an Ethernet cable. Slower or unstable wireless causes freezes. Once done, force close the YouTube app and fully power cycle the TV. Unplug for 30 seconds to clear volatile issues. Make sure to test playback after each change so you isolate the trigger. If you have multiple devices using bandwidth, pause large downloads or streaming while you test. Next, focus on software state and app data, because outdated code or corrupted cache often freezes playback. You update the TV firmware and the YouTube app from system settings. After that, clear the app cache and app data, or uninstall and reinstall if available. Once done, disable VPNs, custom DNS, and add blocking features which can interrupt streams. Make sure to reboot the TV after updates to finalize installations, then retest a 1080p video to confirm stability. For final tweaks, you change playback resolution and video processing to reduce load, set YouTube to 480p or 720p, and turn off heavy motion smoothing or noise reduction in TV picture settings. You also check HDMI inputs, cables, and switch ports if using an external device. If problems persist, perform a factory reset only after backing up settings and credentials. One key troubleshooting tip: test YouTube on another device on the same network to determine if issue is TV-specific or network-wide.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.